Hey, what's up guys? So I apologise for the wind for a start. Thought I'd bring the Vilance back out for another run. Got it all back together, and I kind of forgot to go over it properly the other day. So I got the 3670 2150 kV 6-cell motor running an 18 tooth pinion, and I got the upgraded steel spur or diff gear, running a 120 amp 6-cell, just the eBay job speed control. It's a Hobbytech servo, and these are the ones I was talking about I actually get from Car Electronics. Gonna have to see how many rolls that was. Yeah, I broke the spoiler mount already. That's not a surprise. I have to make one. Oh yeah, done something to the axle. I got another one. Seriously, I should have known that was going to happen. It happens to every single one of these cars. If you don't put a lock nut on the other side, as you can see, they just pull out straight away. Alright, so it's back together, and I've decided to come to my normal spot just because it's so close to my own house. Yeah, I'll have a bit of a bash here and see how it goes. Got a funny noise going on in there. Patrick. So I just noticed here the whole front end's loose. That's what that funny noise is. It's actually only held on by just these two screws. Alright, back in action. Huh. Oh, that was lucky. Not the greatest landing. That's a better one. I believe that was a double front flip. Alright, let's try that again. Got to come off the throttle when I hit that gravel. That was better. Done damage. Yeah, just rear wheel drive. It's probably that front end just come undone again. Yeah, front end come out. All over. Oh yeah. I might have broken the bottom again. Not even noticed, no. So I've broken the diff housing. So maybe even with the aluminium front chassis piece, I could have prevented that because it would have stopped the bending. Although, no, I'm not really sure actually. Oh, look at my shaft. That'll be it. Get it all fixed up again. Looks like I'm gonna have to buy a diff housing, but shouldn't be a problem. I think they're only about $20 or $30, so yep, not much at all. No worries guys, cheers, and as always, stay safe. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.